Hi everyone, today is Tuesday the 21st of February 2017 and today we're going to talk about this Cicada 3301 thing. It says Cicada 3301 is a name given to an enigmatic organization that on 6 occasions has posted a set of complex puzzles and alternate reality games to possibly recruit codebreakers from the public. Now, some people think that this is a recruitment tool for either the NSA, the CIA, or MI6. But my theory is that maybe it's a recruitment thing for either the Illuminati or Freemasons. Because basically, right, you see the butterfly's wings, it could be angel wings, but it could also represent the Twin Towers and even like the two Freemason pillars as well. Because you see Godzilla 2, like the two towers, like the two pillars. That V represents the fifth age of the Bible coming. Now, see how these things go in a V shape right here? Do you see that? They're like antennae, I think. Now, it says, God help us all. Just like you have this God only knows BBC Music thing. And you can obviously see the butterflies right there. But see Alice Madness Returns with the Cheshire Cat. Remember, the Illuminati and Freemasons are obsessed with Egyptians, and the Egyptians worshipped cats. So you see the Freemason checkerboard symbolism down there? See the Freemason checkerboard symbolism down there? So, that being said, right, there's a film coming out in 2020 called Godzilla vs. Kong, and he represents the two beasts from the Bible fighting each other. The beast out of the earth and the beast out of the sea. So Lindsay Lohan has come out saying that she might convert to Islam, and this is another satanic thing. See 5 hours ago for the fifth age of the Bible coming. And then, basically, right, see, she was in Mean Girls, just like the woman of wickedness coming. Because the woman of wickedness is a mean girl. And then, if we delve even deeper into this, right here, she's doing a V for the fifth age of the Bible. There's the red for Satan and the green for Islam. There's the red for Satan. There's the green for Islam, right there. So, the parent trap. God and Jesus are like our parents, and they're trying to trap them. See how this is like the twin towers because they're twins? The two twins, just like the two pillars, see? She's doing a V there. See how it's just like that V there? See how the antennae are like a V shape. Two evil sisters. Two evil sisters. The 53 for the fifth age of the Bible coming. The white for heaven. The blue for Jesus, the red for Satan, blending the iron with the clay. Now, Zechariah 5 for the 5th age of the Bible coming. The flying scroll. Some people think this is a great millstone. Other people think it's a UFO. Who knows? Anyway, see the UFO right there? Hillary Clinton. She represents the woman of wickedness, just like Lindsay Lohan. Just like the Wicked Witch in The Wizard of Oz. And even Angela Merkel as well. Putin, just like put in the pit of hell. So, see the butterflies in Alice Madness Returns. See the butterfly in the Alice Through the Looking Glass trailer. Thank you very much, everybody. That even that new Ghost in the Shell movie that is coming out. Let me type it in. See if we can get the logo up. Here we are, see? The Illuminati pyramid right there. See the arch in the background? Do you see that? Again, going back to this arch right here. So, to sum up, this woman in the basket is the woman of wickedness. See, this is wickedness. This is the woman that Hillary and Lindsay represent. Lindsay was spotted with a Quran. Now, the Quran is black for the time of darkness coming. And also, see her dad is called Michael, just like Michael the Archangel coming. And then, her sister is called Ali, just like you have Ali Larter. Both Ali Larter and Ali Lohan, they both represent the heavenly woman of Revelation 12, just like Marilyn Monroe does. So, she even said that she supports Donald Trump because Donald Trump is going to bring judgment. The evil sister thing goes all the way back to veiling in Star Wars. Yeah, sorry, the ugly sister thing goes all the way back. No, sorry, right. The evil sister thing goes all the way back to veiling in Star Wars: The Old Republic. It also goes back to the ugly sisters in Cinderella. It even goes back to the Jessica Chastain character in Crimson Peak.